Yo, what's up, guys? Hey, thank you so much for joining me for another Lethal's Vape Reviews. Today, we're going to be taking a look at a juice that I picked up for the purposes of this review. And today, that juice that we're going to be looking at is the SadBoy Blueberry Jam Cookie. On the side here, you can see it says 3 milligram, not for sale, or for sale only in the U.S. There we go. We got that big warning we all know and love so well. We got the logo. Label. We've got warnings, ingredients, batch number, and where you can find the company and the juice. So, what is it supposed to taste like? A blueberry jam cookie. What can I say? There's not much you can go wrong there with, right? I've been on with this for a little while. We're going to take a few more toots. I'm going to give you guys some of the first notes that I get off of this, some of the first flavors I get out of this, and then give you guys what I get on the back end. Very blueberry jam. Very, very blueberry jam. The cookie's there, but it's very, very hidden. You really got to be looking for it to be able to taste that cookie. So it's heavy on the blueberry jam. Just let that be stated first and foremost. It's good, though. It's good. It really is. I do like my jams. I do like my blueberries, and I do like bakery, cookie, pastry kind of juices, too. And this one's a really, really good one. So if you do like this, you can check them out. I'm sure you can find them on a variety of different websites. But I know that you can find it at Philly Vape Society, phillyvapesociety.com. And that was a quick look at the SadBoy Blueberry Jam Cookie from Philly Vape Society, LLC. Thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed the review. If you did like the review, please do hit the like button. If you're not already subscribed, please do subscribe and hit that bell notification icon so you guys can get updated to whenever I put up new content. Also, if you do want to show your love and support for the channel, I do appreciate it. I am 100% independent. We'll have links down below for both PayPal and Patreon, as well as my Teespring merch store. New products going to be coming out soon, so that's a thing. Also, don't forget to check me out on our live shows. You guys know when they are, where they are. If not, then Wednesday nights for the Lethal Vapor Lounge live. Thursday nights, you'll catch me on the Ohm Service live. And then Sundays, every other Sunday, you'll catch me on the Good Ohm Boys. With that, guys, big love. Thank you all. I hope you enjoyed the time with me, and I'll see you in the next one.